It is so interesting, you know. They arrange a lot of things for the athlete. I enjoyed the pasta, I enjoyed the beef, even like the rice, everything. It is so amazing, so amazing. I enjoyed it all. I enjoyed. Yes, yes, there is a huge counter for the halal food. You can find there. I talked with them because of many of the other athletes from Iran. Even many of the Muslims, they are so satisfied and they are so happy about the foods. Before coming, I was so scared about the pandemic, honestly, because the situations were so very like the pandemic was so the COVID-19 was growing so aggressively. So when I came here, they the all the arrangements are properly. They're done very goodly, like they're perfect. After I came here, I feel so safe, and it was so amazing. So far, I was so comfortable about my training, about the dining hall, walking in the village. It was so amazing. It is perfect. I love it. It's really nice. Yes, they are using. Yes, they are securing themselves, and for sure they are also worried about our health. So they are wearing mask every time. They are wearing the face sheet on them and smiling eyes. We can see only their smiling eyes, and they are so warm-hearted and welcome all the time, and they are super kind. It is secure, but not so strict. Not strict and secure. There is a ski simulator, there is a space simulator, and also the other videos game also. So I also experienced the video games and the gym, and everything is it's so super perfect, and it is so amazing. The experience was so nice, so super nice.